to day 9 of a Tobyknits Vlogmas, coming to you from Nova Scotia. Say hello, Sean.
Hi.
That was Sean going through. Yes, so we're still here, obviously. And yesterday, I totally forgot to put the recipe for you for the peanut butter snowballs and the penguin cookie things. So I'll definitely leave them down below, but here's how they turned out. So here are the finished cookies. They're supposed to be penguins, but I decided I'm not making them into penguins. They're still gonna taste delicious. And here are the dirty peanut butter snowballs. They're supposed to have white chocolate on them, but my son's a vegan, so dark chocolate it is. So I added some powdered sugar to look like snow. Don't think they'll last till Christmas, do you? Link to the recipe is below. Needless to say, a good many of those shortbread ones are gone. I had one just now with a cup of tea. This is that lovely tea, cookies and cream from Tetley. I wish you could smell it. Smell it, go on. It's lovely. Anyway, we are heading to the pool in a little while with Leo. And, but this morning we took him for a walk. It was a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day today. The sun is deep blue. There's no clouds in the sky. The sun is shining. It's not as cold as it has been the last couple of days. Check it out. We are going for a walk this morning along the water. There's that house I showed you yesterday. They still have snow. It's kind of unusual. But it's going to get up to 11 this weekend. So it'll all be gone before I go home. There's that lovely big tree. It looks so different in the daytime. So lovely. And it's so lovely that all the roads come down and you see the water at the bottom. It's just lovely. It's just lovely. Anyway, so yeah, we did that. We took him for a walk this morning, brought him home. I fed him some lunch, put him down for his nap because Mommy and Daddy went out to get a new stroller. And then this afternoon we're going to the pool, and I don't know what we're doing tonight. I'm not really sure. But anyway, but this afternoon I did get some knitting in. This was what I was working on. These are the socks from the Bakery Bears. The bits out the way, there we go. And this was day 1 of our Advent knit. Day 2 of our Advent knit. That was the lovely yarn I got at the Violet Unicorn. This was day 3, this was day 4. And this was today's, day 5, because she's doing them every other day. So that's how and I feel like the heel flap and turn, or heel, whatever kind of heel she's going to do, will be in the red, because we had to leave that attached. So I'm feeling like obviously the cuffs and the heel and maybe the toes will be red. But I don't know, it's a mystery. Isn't it pretty though? I love that so much. So much. So that one is the first one, and then I'm this far on sock 2. So tonight I'm hoping to catch up with that tonight or tomorrow, because tomorrow is an off day, like no knitting day. So I am going to be able to catch up on them. And the other thing that I've been working on are the Advent socks. So this is those, and you can see that very dark. It's so hard to show you this. Which is better? Maybe this sock is a better one. You can see it more there once it's there. That's a bit better. So there you can see all the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this was today's number 9. And then it appears we're going to a like a purpley color. I think that's more like a purple is starting. So these are really cool. I really like these. Such an interesting sock. So that is what I've been working on. I did not do any more on my other thing with all the various different names for that little thing. But we will open number 9's yarn and see what it is. Look at that one. Now that one has browns in it and purples. Oh, Ellie, you dye beautiful yarn. I love that. So that will go in my other bag. And yeah, so that's today. I probably won't video at the pool. I don't think you're allowed to take your camera in. So I probably won't videotape there. I'm getting on really well with my book. I've like read this much. I can't do it with one hand. I'm on chapter 13. So I've only got that much to go. So good. Somebody said it was one of her dark, scariest, creepiest books. It's definitely interesting. And I'm at a loss as to who's doing it. Or if it's one of them, or if it's not one of them, where is this person hiding? I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, I just had a thought. I wonder if it's the boat guy. I don't know. It's really good though. Anyway, I am going to love you and leave you. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.